What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to insert multiple rows or columns in Excel. So to insert multiple columns, all you have to do is go up here where the letters, highlight them, right click, and then just insert. And that will insert multiple columns. To insert multiple rows, all you have to do is go to the rows, highlight, then right click, then insert, and the multiple rows will be inserted. Also, as one last note, there is a keyboard shortcut that allows you to insert single rows and columns with ease. It's not multiple, but it does make it faster. So Alt H I C inserts columns, and Alt H I R inserts rows. So with that being said, I really hope that y'all found this tutorial to be super helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment, as any support is extremely helpful. Thank y'all so much. Have a great day.